Welcome to our video on intermittent fasting for brain health. In today's fast-paced world, maintaining good brain health is crucial for overall well-being. We often hear about the benefits of intermittent fasting for weight management, but did you know it can also have a significant positive impact on your brain health? In this video, we'll delve into the fascinating connection between intermittent fasting and brain function, shedding light on how this dietary approach can contribute to a sharper mind, improved memory, and enhanced mood. We'll also provide practical tips to help you incorporate intermittent fasting into your lifestyle. Now let's dive into the different aspects of intermittent fasting and discover how it can be harnessed as a tool to support your brain health. Intermittent fasting is a dietary strategy that revolves around cycling between eating and fasting windows. It doesn't prescribe what you should eat, but focuses on when you should eat instead. Common fasting methods include the 16/8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window, and the 5-2 method, which involves consuming fewer calories on 2 non-consecutive days each week. However, intermittent fasting is not just about weight control. It has emerged as a multifaceted approach with potential benefits for brain health. Understanding the fundamentals of intermittent fasting is essential to appreciate its impact on brain function. By altering the timing of your meals, you engage your body in a natural process that can yield numerous cognitive advantages. Intermittent fasting isn't just a dietary trend. It's a lifestyle choice that can significantly impact your brain health. Now let us see 3 key ways intermittent fasting benefits your brain. First, let's talk about autophagy. This natural cellular process is like a cleaning crew for your brain. During fasting periods, your body activates autophagy to remove damaged cells and detoxify your brain. It's akin to emptying the trash bin in your computer to make it run smoother. Research even suggests that problems with autophagy are linked to various neuropsychiatric disorders, emphasizing its critical role in maintaining brain health. Next up is improved memory. Studies have shown that intermittent fasting can enhance your memory and cognitive function. People who have tried intermittent fasting reported increased spatial planning skills and working memory capacity. They also described feeling more focused and productive at work. These cognitive improvements can have a significant impact on your daily life, from being more efficient at tasks to enhancing your overall quality of life. Finally, intermittent fasting can brighten your mood. It stimulates the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a vital substance for neuron survival and brain function. Low BDNF levels are associated with conditions like depression and anxiety. Research also suggests a connection between low BDNF and issues like binge drinking. By engaging in intermittent fasting, you may experience improved mood, reduced tension, and less anxiety. Did you find the video helpful so far? Please consider liking the video and continue this video by typing "I am healthy" in the comments below. Now that we understand the potential benefits of intermittent fasting for brain health, let's explore practical tips to make this dietary approach work for you. Firstly, consider choosing longer fasting windows. Extended periods of fasting, occasionally, can be more effective in boosting BDNF levels. This is because, during prolonged fasting, your body enters a state called ketosis, which is associated with increased BDNF production. Longer fasts can have a more profound impact on your brain health compared to shorter fasting intervals. Secondly, focus on the foods you consume during your eating windows. Opt for brain-boosting foods such as fish with low mercury content, like salmon, pollock, and canned tuna, leafy greens, including broccoli, spinach, and kale, berries, nuts, and caffeinated tea or coffee. These foods are rich in essential nutrients, antioxidants, omega-3 fatty acids, and vitamins that support cognitive function and overall brain health. Avoid processed foods and saturated fats, as they can counteract the benefits of intermittent fasting. Lastly, stay hydrated during both your eating and fasting periods. Dehydration can negatively impact cognitive functions like concentration and memory and affect your mood. Drinking water not only helps maintain your energy levels, but also reduces hunger during fasting windows. Research has shown that even mild dehydration can lead to noticeable effects on fatigue, attention, focus, reaction speed, and short-term memory. To stay adequately hydrated, make it a habit to drink a glass of water first thing in the morning and before each meal. By following these practical tips, you can maximize the potential benefits of intermittent fasting for your brain health while ensuring a safe and effective fasting experience. In conclusion, intermittent fasting is not just a trend. It's a promising approach to support and enhance your brain health. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more health-related content and updates. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you on our next video. Remember to share your thoughts and questions in the comments section below. Your feedback is valuable to us as we continue to explore topics related to health and wellness.